Hello guys, welcome back to Our Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to open your Instagram. Then you just have to go to the profile of yours. You just have to go here. And now as you can see at the top there is a plus icon which you have to select this. So you have to select the plus icon. And now as you can see that there is an option for IGTV which you have to select. Right now you have to upload a video which is yours. So let me select one of my random video which is this one. So I'm going to select the respective one, and once after selecting this one I'm going to click on next. Right at the top there is a next icon which I'm going to click on the next, and now I'm going to go for once again next, which will be taken to the next. So now I can select from which portion I wanted to keep it over there. So I'll keep this one. Some randomly I'll be keeping this because this is how it looks like from the section. Now I'm going to go for next. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a title and a description which I have to give. Let me give a random title, very random title. So I'll type something, let me type something in between ABC or something. Let me type ABC or something is enough. And because if you didn't give a title, you can't post this up. So you have to give the type which is mandatory and go for post. Now you have to click on the post. So what happens is it will get posted. So you have to wait for it because it have to get uploaded. So what you have to do is you just have to scroll in between. As you can see that the video has been uploading right now. So you have to wait for a short period of seconds, maybe hardly 13 to 15 seconds. You have to wait for it. And once after that, I'm going to give it the next instruction. So let us wait for it and let me show you how it looks like. So now we are almost done. So it depends on your Wi-Fi. So you just have to make sure you're having a good internet connection. So guys, it is getting uploaded, so we'll be getting to finalizing this within a short period of seconds. So now it is almost done. Hardly I have to say around 80%. Now let me go to my profile. Let me go to profile by clicking at the top, my profile icon. So let me go for it. So now as you can see that, let me load this up. So it will getting over there. So now as you can see that there is an icon of IGTV. So as you can see that this is the video which I upload right now. So this is about how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.